Eh? Chimemelie, you are still thinking. Okay. Ihe nna mere one. Oh yeah, gwa m. Kedu asụsụ Igbo ịma ngwa? Unmute yourself.
Mechano.
Keep quiet.
You see what our parents are doing to us. Okay, we're going to report all of them.
I know a tutor.
Very good. That's awesome.
I don't. G is yam.
G is yam. Very good.
I don't tutor.
Amazing. Amazing.
It's good.
Amazing. I love that. Okay. Sedo mamachi. Nne ngwagwanụ m kedu ihe Igbo ịma asụ ka anyị na-ege ntị. Kedu Igbo ịma asụ?
Ekpere.
Ekpere. Who is saying that?
Me.
Mamachi. You said ekpere. Is it mommy that says that? What does that mean, Mamachi?
When do I say it?
When we're doing prayer.
So what does it mean? What do you think she's trying to tell you then?
Pray.
Oh, yeah. Come, let's pray. That's great. Okay. Chimdima, tell me. Can I see Wimasu? Can I see bido? Can I see Wimasu?
Oche.
Oche. Can you hear us?
You know what? Oche.
Agua.
Yeah.
Agua ezigbo nwa. Kedu ihe agwa pụtara? What does it mean?
Bed.
Yeah.
Agua is bed.
Bed.
Agua is beans.
Amazing. Good. I love that. I'm loving that. All right, finally, Chimusoma. I missed you yesterday. What happened? Tell me, can I see women? So what words you can say? Oh yeah, let's go.
No. Look, I gotta get my book.
Got me what word in my mommy. Chibusoma.
Say no.
Email.
Thank you.
Email. Thank you.
I went to school.
Okay. Now it's time for us to start our lessons. I'm sure everybody has warmed up. Very good. And we're going to introduce ourselves. I'll start with me. Ahambo, Coach Noni. So when you want to introduce yourself, you start with Ahambo. So Ahambo, Coach Noni. Ebimna.
Habo. Chimemelia.
Okay, I'm going to call everybody one after the other. So I'll mute us. Stay muted until I tell you to unmute, okay? So that we can hear ourselves. I'm going to start with introducing ourselves. And we're going to say two things only. One, we're going to say our name. Two, we're going to say where we live. Only. And look at how it's being said. Ahambo, Coach Noni. So when you say Ahambo, you say Ahambo, and you put your name there, okay? I'm going to also write it on the text, on the chat box, so that you can also see what I am saying. Then, Ebimna. So we're going to say Ebimna. Ebimna simply means I live at. Did you see that? I live at. So I'm going to say Ebimna, USA. Okay? Now, I'm going to go around and I'll make Chiamaka. Chiamaka, you are going to help us. Each person choose a number. So when I just call your number, you're going to tell me two things. Ahambo and Ebimna. Now look at the chat box. You see what I hope everybody's with their notes. Ahambo, you put your name, which means my name is. So everybody go to the chat box and see what I wrote there. Put it in your notes. You are going to read from your notes and tell me and fill up the gaps, okay?
You know where your chat.
Oh, Mommy, what am I supposed to do?
Now go to the chat box. Did you see the chat box? Is everybody seeing the chat box?
Yes.
Very good. I wrote two things there. Do you see it? Did you see what I wrote there?
Yes.
Very good. So what I want everybody to write is to write those two sentences, and you're going to fill in the gaps. In those two sentences, you're going to read. You'll see how I'll do mine. I'll do mine. Then everybody pick a number. When you finish writing, each person, once you finish writing, you write number one, for instance. You write, if Chiamaka, if you are finished, write Chiamaka 1. Don't write until you have finished writing in your notes. Adobe, have you finished writing? Let me see your notes where you wrote it. If you have not finished writing, please don't pick a number. Pick a number after you've done. Good. Ihenna Merem has finished. Oh, yeah, Ihenna Merem, right? Ihenna Merem 2. Ihenna Merem 2. Okay, Adobe, you are finished. Very good. Adobe, you are Evelyn, right? Evelyn 1. Okay, Ihenna Merem 2. Ihenna, let me help you write. Looks like you are on the road. Ihenna Merem 2. All right. Who else has finished? If you have finished writing, go to the chat box and write your name and write the next number. Chimemeli, have you finished? Very good. So Chikaima is done. All right, go to the chat box and write your name and your number. Okay, Chiamaka has written 3. If you are finished, look at the next number and write. Very good. So Chikaima is 4. Chimemelie, write 5. If you are finished, write 5. Mamachi, are you done? Chimdema, are you done?
But on a worksheet or just on the paper?
On the book, on their Igbo book. The worksheet, I'll tell them when we will use the worksheet. I need them to write in the book. But if
Just a normal notebook.
yes, any
Mommy, I
normal,
don't know
or they
how.
can write on the
Okay.
worksheet. Anyone is fine. I want them to be able to write it and then let's speak
And
it.
say it.
Yes.
Okay.
Mommy, I miss you.
Oh, my love, I miss you too. Hi, who are those missing me? I'm missing you too. Let me find our slides. If you are finished, hi, Mamachi 5, very good. We are at 5. Who are those remaining? Obinasom, Chimemelie,
Bye-bye.
Chimbusoma, where are you? We're going to call those people that have finished in the next 1 minute. Chamaka, when is 1 minute time, you let me know, okay? We'll now start calling people by number. Chimbusoma, I've not seen your own. Have you written your notes? Chimemelie, nna idego nke gị. Very good. Chimemelie 5. Awesome. What of Obina some?
I'm finished writing.
Good. Obina some, you're right.
Chinemelium is supposed to be 6.
Chinemelium, you are supposed to be 6 because somebody has picked 5. Are we ready?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Number 1, I'll start with myself so that you can see what I want you to do. I want you to be reading from your notes, but if you have learnt it offhand, that will be awesome. Aham bụ Coach Noni. Ebim na USA. Did you see what I did? Watch me. I'm looking straight to your face and I'm using my hand to show you who I am. Aham bụ Coach Noni. Ebim na USA. All right, let's go. Number 1. Does everybody remember their numbers? Everybody remember your numbers? Give me a thumbs up. Very good. Don't mute your mic. It's only the person that I call. The person that I called is the one that will unmute and introduce us to themselves. All right, let's go. Number 1.
Adobe in Lagos State.
All right. Onye ọbụla kụọrọ na Adobe aka. When I say kụọrọ na Adobe aka, it means clap. Clap for Adobe. Kụọrọ na Adobe aka. Good. Once somebody finish introducing themselves, we clap for the person. Ọdịmma. And we say no. All right. Number 2.
Mommy, do I have to say it?
Yes. Aham bụ Obina son.
No.
Look at your notes.
Wait for your number.
Number 2. Who is number 2? Chiamaka, you're number 2, right?
What does this say?
No, I'm number 3.
Oh, okay.
It's number 2.
This one.
Ihe nna mere m is 2. Ihe nna mere m, are you here? Look, I think we lost Ihe nna mere m. Ihe nna mere m is 2. Okay, number 3.
Aham bụ Chiamaka. Ebi Nina Dubai.
Ebim na Dubai. Kọrọ na aka, kọrọ na Chiamaka aka.
I forgot the word again. What is the word?
Okay, ihe nna mere m ise. Ihe nna mere m ngwa kọwaa onwe gị. Ihe nna mere m kọwaa onwe gị.
Aham bụ ihe na mere m Southampton. Ebi na Southampton.
Ọ dị mma, kọrọ na ihe nna mere m aka, kọrọ na aka. Ọ dị mma. Chiamaka, we've heard from Chiamaka. Okay, so Chikaima, let's go.
Aham bụ Sochikaima. Ebi na Canada.
Amazing. Biko kụpụrụ na aka, kụpụrụ na aka, kụpụrụ na aka. No, so Chikaima. Mute your mic if you're not speaking. Mute your mic. Okay, number 5. I think it's Mamachi. Mamachi is 5. Okay? Mama, let's go.
Mamachi. Ebdima, USA.
Biko kọrọ ni aka, kọrọ nu mama aka, kọrọ ni aka. No, mama. Ọ dị mma. Number 6. Go number 6. I think Chimemele 6.
Meme. Ebby na Dayton, Ohio, USA.
Ezigbo nwa. Biko kọrọ nu Chimemele aka. Good. Ọ dị mma. Chimbusama.
Mobile Chimbusama. Ibi na Blackpool.
Kọrọ nu Chimbusama aka. Good. Very good. And number 8. Chimdimma, number 8. Let's go.
Chimdimma Nora. Ebembin is US na USA.
Ebim na USA. Biko kupro no Chimdimma aka. Amazing. Very good. Kedundi, most of us were not here yesterday, but like I'm Moro. Who can remind me how Moro yesterday? I'm going to share my screen. Who can remind me? Kedi hi Moro. What did we learn yesterday?
We learned about ABC and
I
numbers.
didn't say my own.
Who didn't say?
Obidasam.
Oh, nah. Okay, I didn't see your number. Let me hear you. Let's hear you.
Ahambo. Obidasam. Nato. Ihimba.
Ebimna.
Ebina, Dayton, Ohio, USA.
Biko kupuru na obi na som aka. Kọrọ ni aka. No, rinne, no obi na som. Okay. So, ụnyaahụ, yesterday, anyị mụrụ alphabet. Yeah, Chamaka, gị na ihe nna mere. Unu elotele ihe anyị mụrụ ụnyaahụ. Anyị mụrụ. Kedu ihe anyị mụrụ ụnyaahụ?
Moro ABC and numbers.
Biko kọrọ ni aka. Abidi. Abidi. I'm going to do something. I think let me mute us all so that we can actually be able to hear ourselves. And I'm going to also put up the charts. All right, so we're going to go into a very important part of being an Igbo child, which is our alphabets. We ran through alphabets yesterday, and we want to be able to do them again and finish up today, right? So today, I want us to recite what we have learned from the alphabets of yesterday. Can you see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Oh, if you can see my screen, give me a thumbs up. Okay, Odema. So I would ask ihe nna mere. Nna gụọrọ m abịchị wee ruo na de. Abịchị de. A to de. Let me divide us. So go to the chat room. I'm going to write today. Ihe nna mere. When I call you, you will unmute. Only unmute when I call you, okay? I'll let you know when to unmute. Chiamaka, you do to gwe. All right, okay. So, ihe na mere, unmute your mic and recite today. We wrote today.
B, G, D.
Kọrọ na ihe nna mere aka. B, C, D. Okay, everybody recite B, C. Everybody say it. B, C, D.
B, C, D.
Good. Here, number, say it again. Everybody say it in your space. You are not going to unmute yourself. I'll be seeing your mouth moving. B, C,
D. B, C.
Very good. Odema. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Now, Chiamaka, you are going to recite to we. Oya.
V, G, J, we.
Recite it again.
V, G, we.
Very good. Odema. So we're going to do from what we learned yesterday. If we are able to go through all our alphabets, we should be able to have what it has, what we can actually share with us. Okay, let's see. Now, read. Okay. Okay, so everybody say fee.
Fee.
Fee. Can you see my mic? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Fee.
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 Good. Gee.
G.
Gee.
G.
Okay. What do we know that has gay in it? Can you see the example I have?
Guinea.
Guinea. Good. Guinea.
Guinea.
Okay.
Guinea.
All right. We're going to the next one. We. Everybody say
We.
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 Obinasom. Only Obinasom. Obinasom, I want to hear we. Say we.
Yes.
Obinasom, can you hear me? We. Say it. Okay. We again.
We.
No, not we. We.
We.
We. Good. What example can you read on the
Sorry to read those books.
You read them last year.
what example can you see on the screen
I'll
there?
read them.
Huh?
Agba.
Abba. Very good. Abba. Okay. Let's move over to this one. He. Again. Again. Very good. Amazing. Amazing.
Okay.
What do you have on the screen? Very, okay, Chimdimma, I want to hear from you. Only Chimdimma. Everybody keep quiet. Only Chimdimma. Say it again. What example do you have on the screen? What example do we have on the screen?
Example be here.
But I can see
Very good. Good. Let's go to the next one. He. Who can say this? He. Again. Toka. Chamaka, let me hear you say this. He. Say.
What's that on your screen?
Chamaka, if I ask you to, if I call you, you're going to respond. Now we need to, people will watch this replay after. If we are making so much noise, they will not understand what we are learning. Do you want us to understand what we are learning? How many of us want us to understand what we are learning? So are we going to be good children by keeping quiet and talk only when you are talked to? Okay?
Yeah.
Let's not be noisy. So I'm going to call each alphabet I bring up. I will say how it sounds, and I will want you to repeat it only once. Do we agree? Do we agree? Very good. Then I'll call one person to say that particular one. I'll be taking turns. Okay? Deal? Awesome. Let's go. Now, we're going to have this. I'm going to unmute us. Remember the rules. Coach Noni will say it once, and you say it after Coach Noni only once. Then you keep quiet and listen to who Coach Noni will call. When Coach Noni calls one person, the person will now, only that one person will repeat, right? All right. Okay. So I'm going to give you ability to unmute yourself now. All right. Okay. So
What is that saying?
okay. Everybody,
So it's not boring. It's just me.
No, I don't like it.
Okay, Adobe. Adobe, let's hear you.
He,
Again?
ha,
No. He, good. He, again?
he,
Very good. Very good. Amazing. Let's go to the next one. Everybody say E. 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 Again? Very good. I'll call Machi. Say it again. 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 Machi, I can't hear you. Say E. Very good. Okay, Chimbusoma, what is the example on the screen? What's the example on the screen?
Ibu. And I also wanted to say my own. Ibere.
Ibere. What did you say?
I wanted to say my own. I wanted to say my own.
Your own example. Very good. Oh, yeah, let's hear it.
Yeah. Ibere.
Ibere. What does that mean? What does that mean? Do you want to say ebere? Okay, read what is on the screen while you're thinking about that. What's on the screen? Can you hear it in our screen? Inyinya.
Inyinya horse.
Good. Inyinya horse. Very good. Adema. Everybody say G.
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 Good.
G.
Very good. Ihelna Mere. Let me hear you say G.
G.
Again.
G.
Very good. Nna, can you hear the screen? Get the screen. Can you example? Can you hear the math eji wee dị na screen? Read the example for me. Read the example for me.
Jo.
Draw. Draw.
Jo.
Draw. Again.
Draw.
Draw. Good. Draw.
Ju.
Let's
Jo.
It's just like you're doing.
remember our house rule. Are we still following what we agreed? Okay, everybody say key.
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 Again.
Key.
Obinasom. Say key.
Key.
Again.
Key.
Very good.
Key.
Chikaima, what example is on the screen? I hope we are writing. If you are not writing in your notes, please be writing. Oh. Everybody be writing. Coach Nani will ask you for your notes. You can open your worksheet. You can open your worksheet and be writing on it. That will actually help you to be doing your homework. Open your worksheet. Each letter we do, you go there and trace it. And as I'm sounding it, you'll be sounding it. So if I say key, you go to your worksheet, write key, and be telling me how it sounds. Key, telling me how it sounds. Ona, so Chika Mangwa, give me the example on the screen.
Kedu.
Kedu. Very good. Koloniaka. Kedu. Amazing. 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 I love that. Adema. Let's go to the next alphabet. B. Everybody say B.
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 Everybody say B.
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 Good.
B.
Are we writing it in our notes? How many of us have written it in their notes? If you have written it, give me your Weniaka again. Obuni begia, Weniaka again. Ode mangwa, gaa na your notes. Go to your worksheet. Then B and be sounding it as you're writing it. Write B and sound it. Very good. I see Mamachi is doing her work. Very good. I see Chiamaka. Amazing. Ebeko Bina Somno. Chimemele, very good. I can see Chimemele's note. Chimemele, get your worksheet so that you can be doing it immediately inside your worksheet. Everybody get your worksheet. Be doing it immediately.
Oh, this is my worksheet.
Chikaima, very good. Are you with your worksheet?
Yes.
Very good. Oh yeah, fill in your worksheet there.
Mom hasn't printed it out.
Okay.
I have to print mine out.
Don't worry, they will print it out. Be writing on the one you have. After you go, when mommy prints it out, you go and write. I want to see everybody's own. All right.
Mom,
Give me an example. Give me an example of me. What's the example on the screen? Chibosoma. What's the example on the screen?
Babando.
Bando. Chimemele. What's the next example on the screen? What's the next example? Chimbusoma said Babando. Can do the next example? Can do the next example?
Babando.
Babando. Okay.
Babando.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Qui. Everybody say qui.
We.
Again.
We.
Qui. Okay. Open our song. Let me hear you say qui. What's the example on the screen?
We.
Good. What's the example? Read the example on the screen.
Aqua.
Aqua. Very good. Good. Everybody say Lee. Lee.
Wash your hand.
Some people are making noise. This is not what we agreed though. Chimdima. Let me hear you say Lee. Lee. Okay, read the example on the screen. Chimdima. Hey, I love Chimemele is on point. Amazing. I love Chimemele's note. Everybody, can you see Chimemele's notes? Chimemele's worksheet is on point. I love that. I love it. I love it. Chimdima. Kenkegi. Kedu nkegi? Kenkegi.
Let me do it.
Come on. Hey, Oginodo. This is my children are on point. Amazing. Okay. Well, can I example din a screen? Nyemo example din a screen. Can I get example din a screen? Elbina, some I love your own too. Good. Adema. Chimdima, one more example on the screen. Lee. Can I example din a screen? Le. Good. Le. Okay, let's go to the next one. Me. Everybody say me. Again. Again. All right, Chiamaka, let me hear you say me. Read the example on the screen, Chiamaka. Me. What's the example? Mama. That's mom or mother. Mama. Good.
Mama.
Good. Everybody, right? Be filling your worksheet. Are we filling our worksheets?
Yes.
Amazing. I love that. Ihendamere, are you filling your worksheet? Are you with me? Ihendamere.
Yes.
Ihendamere. Very good.
Yes.
Okay. Mamachi, are you filling your worksheet?
I don't have a worksheet, but I'm writing it down.
Amazing. When mommy gets,
The worksheet.
mommy will print it for you. Summer,
have the
hope you are-
worksheet, but I'm writing it down.
I love that. I love that. Okay. All right. Who is going next? So Chikaima, let me hear you say what's on the screen. What's on the screen? Ni. Say everybody say ni. Everybody say ni. Ni for Coach Nani. Very good. Ni. Okay, we're going to enter a very dicey one. You see this one? It sounds like the sound is going to be coming from your nose, not your mouth. It sounds like this. Listen so that you hear me. Nye, 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 Good. Good. It sounds like angole, angole. Everybody say angole, angle, angle. Very good. All right, we're going to the next one. The next one is we. Everybody say we. 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 Okay, Obina song. Let me hear you say we. Very good. Give me an example on the screen. Mwa. Amazing. I love that. That was a good try. I love that. Biko poro ni aka. Amazing. Mwa. Mwa. Okay. And Evelyn, can do the next example there, ba? Very good. I love that. Very good, Chimemele. Give me the example on the screen. We've said Nwa. What's the next one? Adobe. What's the next one? Enwe. Very good. I love that. Enwe. That's a monkey. All right. So we're going to the next one. Everybody say ni. 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 I want to hear you say ni. Ni. Okay, Chimdimma, tell me the example on the screen. Chimdimma, tell me the example on the screen. Nyocha, ezigbo nwa. Nyocha. Good.
Nyocha.
Nyocha. Ọ dị mma. Ka anyị gaa na nke anụwa. Nke a na listen, everybody pay attention. Oh. This one easy peasy. Oh. Good. Very good. Now this is the tricky one. Hear me well. It means this one sounds like oh. Oh, everybody say oh. What you want to say? Oh, say oh. Okay. What do I call? Ihendamere. Kedu example dị na screen? Ngwa, nye m example dị na screen.
Oh.
What example on the screen? Oh, in your worksheet, remember to put the dots. There's a dot under the O in this one. Did you see the difference? There's O without dots and there's O with dots. O with dots. Who can tell O without dots? Who can tell me how it sounds? O without dots. O without dots. Tell me how it sounds. No. I'm going to call one person. If you are sure that you are sure, Adobe, you are writing on my screen. Please, can you stop?
No, I wanted to do like I wanted to remove it, then something now made it right on the screen. I don't know why it's writing on the screen.
Okay. If you know that you know how to sound O without dots, raise your hand. O without dots. Who wants to try? Who wants to try? O without dots. We did O without dots, and we are doing O with dots. And we've said the two of them. Who wants to try? O with dots. O with dots. O with dots. Ngwa, can I actually try? Mama Chaya. Oh, very good. Koloniaka. Now, Kedoye got try O with dots. O with dots. If you can try O with dots, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Sachikaima, let's hear you. Small. It's remaining small. That one is cooking. O with dots. O with dots. Who can tell me? O with dots. O with dots. Where all this my okay, Chimdimma. O with dots. How does it sound? Oh, very good. Koloniaka. Good. Everybody did well. Well done. Amazing. Okay, let's go to the next alphabet because I want us to practice our spelling bee today. So we're going to still finish up. Everybody say P.
B.
Okay, fill in your worksheets. P. Good. Let's go. Re. Everybody say re. Very good. Everybody say C. So P, C sounds like in English. P, C. Okay. Everybody say C. Good. Now we're going to the tricky one now. It sounds like you're wearing your shoe. Everybody say she. She. All right. I hope we are filling our worksheets. The next one is T. T. It sounds the same as English. So,
one at a time because I can finish it.
T. Everybody say T. T. Say ooh. And look at this one. Oh, look at this one.
Now there's a dot under it.
Exactly. Smart. Yes, this is oo with dots and oo without dots. We've done oo without dots and we said it sounds like ooh. But oo with dots, pay attention. Let me tell you how it sounds. Oo with dots is oh. 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 Okay, let me see those. I will try. I want somebody. Onye ga-agwa m U without dots. U with dots. U without dots. U with dots. U without dots. Chamaka, let me hear you. U without dots. Let me hear how it sounds.
You.
Biko kọrọ aka. Good. Amazing. Who is going to try U with dots? U with dots. Who is going to try? I'm voting for Ihe Namere. Ihe Namere, oya, let's hear you. U with dots. Let's hear you.
Is it?
Again.
Oh.
Again. U is O. O, 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 O,
Boo.
O.
Oh. Ooh.
O.
Ooh.
Very good. O. Everybody say O. Good. Good, good. We are now going into the last part of it. All right, good children. I hope we are filling our worksheets, right?
Yes.
Very good. Now we are going into the last four. Everybody say V.
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 This is very.
Yes, it sounds like very. It's the same like English. Gente, V. Everybody say V.
V.
Now everybody say we, we, we. Good, we. We, weta, we, weta. Good.
No.
Now, what do we see now? Everybody say he, he, and the very last one. Everybody say Z. Everybody say Z. Z. Okay. Now I'm going to recite this once. Do you have your Umuoma book? Open your Umuoma book. Mkpụrụ edemede book. You will see.
Book.
Open your Umuoma book. You will see where we wrote all the alphabets together so that we can recite it. Very good. Open it, Mamachi. Open it. Let's recite. Let's recite all the alphabets.
I can see you on the wheel screen.
Huh?
I'm not done. I'm not done yet.
Oh, you've not done yet?
My, this is the book that we wrote all the alphabets.
Yes, the textbook. Umuoma Igbo textbook. Umuoma Igbo textbook. Mkpụrụ edemede. Yes, Chimdimma, that's what you're holding. Is that what you're holding? Yeah, Mamachi is holding that. Obinasom, there's a textbook where we will have all the alphabets. So we're going to read everything that we have there. Open to the page of the alphabet.
I'm not really after yet.
Okay, anytime you come to class from now till Friday, always come with it, okay? Because we'll be using it to study. Now, open it and let's read. Aya, Mama Chungwa, if you have it. Chiamaka, you have it. Open it and let's read.
No. What page?
That should be page. But
Okay.
have you seen it now?
Yeah.
This
Yes.
page.
Yes.
Okay, open to your page 5. He's on page 5. Good. Mama, yeah, let's read. Everybody, 1, 2, ready, go. B,
Yeah.
D, B,
I did. I didn't walk.
D, we,
Gui.
Wait.
B, C, E, me, we, nye, ze. Very good. Clap for yourselves. You're going to practice more at home, okay? How many of us can see my screen? Okay. Okay, so ihe dị na screen anyị bụ nsupe. I ga-adị na-amụ nsupe. Anytime I mecha class, fill up your worksheet and do your nsupe. Are you seeing your nsupe? Nsupe means spelling na bekee. All right. So the first word there is eh. So in the spelling, I'll ask you to spell super and you will say umba. You will say b umba. Nsị gị super ndo. Isim ndo. Now let's pay attention. Everybody, let me hear you. Can you hear me? Let's stay quiet. Children, let's stay quiet. Genti, listen. Okay? We're going to do 2 things now. If I call you, remember, I'm going to call you by your numbers. If I call you one number before we round up, this is the last part of this is what I want you to do at home with your parents. Okay? I'll call one each of you. I'll call number 1, number 2, like that. When I call you, I will say spell for instance. And you will tell me I'll call you maybe number 4. Super aka. And you tell me aka. Aka. Easy peasy. Do you see that?
Yeah.
I'm going to call myself and I'm going to say what I would say. Then you will see the example. So that when I call you, you answer and you spell it. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then what do I do with it?
Okay, so now Coach Noni, what I'm going to say now. I'll call Coach Noni. Coach Noni, super mba. Mba. Did you see that? Very simple. Assuming I call number 4. Number 4, super anya. Number 4 will say anya. And we'll clap for the person. Are we ready? Are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we ready? Very good. Let's go. Okay. Who is number 1? Number 1, are you ready? Please look at the screen so that you see what I'll ask you to spell. Number 1, are you ready? Number 1 is Adobe. Number 2 is Ihenna Merem. Number 3, Chiamaka. Do you all remember your numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, number 1, Super Ndo.
D-O. Ndo.
Again,
D-O. Ndo.
N-D-O. Ndo. Kọrọ ni aka. N-D-O. Ndo. Okay, number 2, Super Dalo.
Dalu.
Dawo. Dawo.
Oh, biko kụpụrụ ni aka dị ale o daalụ ezigbo nwa. Okay, number 3, Super Biko.
B-E-T-O.
Biko. When you finish spelling, you say the word completely. Biko kụọrụ ni aka. Amazing. Number 4, Super Mba.
Mba. M-B-M. Mba.
Amazing. Mba. Kụọrụ ni aka. Very good. I love that. Number 5, Super
E-E. That's what it is.
No, it's not EEO. E is different. E is different from in Igbo. It sounds differently. Super Who is the person?
Me.
Number 6, Omamachi.
Mamachi.
Ngwa super ya. Super Mamachi super nian. You say
Is this six?
Amazing. Ngwa kụọrụ ni aka. Very good. Okay, number 6. Is that number 6?
Yes.
Okay, number 6. Super nna. 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 Can you all still see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, who is number 6? Who? Is it Chimemelie?
Yes.
Ngwa Chimemelie super nna. Kụọrụ ni aka. Nna. Amazing. Number 7. Onye nke asaa. Number 7. Super nne. Onye bụ number 7. Super nne. Chimbusoma, or is it Chimdimma? Onye bụ number 7.
Chibumsoma.
Chibusoma ngwa super nne. Look at the screen. You can see the word there. Nne. Amazing. Ni. Good. And the last person. Who is the last person? Super.
Chidemma.
Okay. Chidemma. Super. Isi. Isi. Isi.
Si. Se. I. Ki.
Isi. Super isi.
Isi. Isi. Now say Ishi.
Isi. Is Chimdemma there?
Yes. Say yes. Yes.
Isi. E-C-E. Isi. Okay. All right. Anyị abịago n'isi njedebe na class. Please keep practicing, keep practicing. We are going to have our spelling bee on Saturday, and there are prizes for winners. So keep practicing, and keep practicing. All right.
done?
Honey, huh?
So I should Mama Toby. Are we done?
Yes, we are done. We
So
are.
should I off the phone?
Yeah, so if you have any questions, otherwise, what do you say to Coach Tony? What do you say? Huh?
Because this has been like the meeting.
I can't hear you.
That's my question.
All right. Okay, Chimbusoma, you have a question. Let me hear you.
But I want to write them down. But when I was writing the top one, it went down like it went down. I want to write them.
Yeah, right.
And then some I don't see all of them. I can't see all of them.
Yes, is in the drive. Your mom will print them out and you can see them, okay? The alphabets are in your Umuoma book. The word, the spelling bee words are in your drive. Mommy will print it out with your worksheet and you do them, okay? All right. What do we say to Coach Noni?
Thank you.
Yeah.